Hi friends, today we're going to make Bo Luc Lac, or shaking beef, which is a Vietnamese dish that is often served with like watercress salad or lettuce, tomatoes, or red rice or red macaroni. It's really good, tender. We're using filet mignon, or is it filet mignon? So we're gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Yum. Then we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then we're gonna add about 1.5-ish teaspoons of soy sauce. And then here we have about 1 teaspoon of supreme soy sauce, or you can use dark soy sauce. This isn't that salty, it's a little sweet. It kind of helps add a dark color. Then we have about 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. We're gonna mix it all up like this. Smells delicious. Next, we're going to add some like garlic and some chili. We have a microplane that we recently got, and we love for this. If you don't have a microplane, you can just chop it up. And grab our knife. We're gonna chop up this chili. Just gonna add in a little bit of sugar, like tablespoon, fresh ground black peppercorn. All right, so now that this is all mixed, I don't see any chunks of the garlic anymore, and we're just going to let it marinate. Marinate. This first, when we chop this, we're going to marinate it in some rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, just to make it, you know. We're gonna use some rice wine vinegar. Just gonna pour an unknown amount on top. Some sugar. Also just gonna eyeball this. Just gonna grab a spoon. Just gonna mix it up. Should got a bigger bowl. Set this aside, like that. And then we're gonna cut our tomatoes for plating, even though Johnson doesn't like tomatoes. I'm gonna grab a bread knife or a serrated knife, just because it helps cut better. By the way, this is an amazing product. We'll talk about it next time. Ooh, you know what would be good? Also, cucumbers. Should we cut those cucumbers? We have to. It's the gradient. Come on, Johnson. Right. I have some romaine lettuce and some Persian cucumbers. I'm just gonna cut these for the plating. I'm gonna use this lettuce at the bottom to help absorb some of the extra oil from the stir fry. We're gonna make the salt, pepper, lime. Just gonna use some salt. We got our pan nice and hot and ready. Just gonna put these in individually so that we're not pouring in any excess sauce, and so that each side will get a nice sear. So I got my tongs. You can use chopsticks, but my chopstick skills are not that defined. And then we'll just let it rest. And dip it. Some onion. It's sweet. It's good. Awesome.
I'm gonna try it. This piece right here. Gonna dip it in here.
Good.
Good, good.